back to another video. My name is Chaz Jones. Today we got a very special review. In the last video you guys saw me get this shirt. It's a Adidas shirt, and I told you it would be a hint to what I got. So I have the package here finally. I got it from GOAT, and I ordered it on the 2nd. And you guys are probably watching this on the Monday, which would be, let me see, the 8th, 9th, 10th. So you guys are watching this video on the 10th. Right now it's the 7th. But it took 5 days for it to get here. I ordered it January 2nd, got here on January 7th. So it was super quick delivery. I didn't even get instant ship, but it came almost instantly to me, at least. But yeah, let's get into the package. Let me get into this box and show you guys what I got. So, and there you have it. There's the box, this plain box. I took off a couple of the stickers that I needed to take off, so you guys want to see the information. There was a little yellow sticker on there, but I'm a perfectionist, so I just want to take off every sticker possible. I don't know which side is the upside though, but we'll find out soon. So let me get started. Trying to find the line of this box. Probably just cut this part first. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. So, yeah, this package came from GOAT, like I said. It's a very special package. I want to see what it is, and I can see how it looks and everything. I've been wanting one, but they stopped making these until they made new versions. And as you can see on the side, the packaging is just brown paper. That's what GOAT usually does. But I wanted to see what the hype was about for this. I didn't get one of the OG versions. I got a different version, but let's see. You guys should have a good idea of what it is when I get out the box. They were sending a lot of YouTubers sample versions with Adidas. More of the prominent YouTubers, they were sending sample versions. And if you know Adidas, you know who has this box. So let me just pop this out of the way. And then let me get to showing you guys this. Bother me, perfectionist. Sorry. Yeah, this is the human race Hue LMD. Let's see if I can get it in there for you guys again. There you go, the Hue. The color code is GY0093, and I do not see actual colors written on the box, so which is interesting. Maybe I'm just blind. I got this in a size 10 US. I haven't had one of these. I had Pharrell's blue human race, but it wasn't like a boost type. If I can, I'll find a picture and I'll put it about right here in the video. Let you guys get back to me after y'all see that picture. So, but yeah, I have that shoe, and yeah, it fit nice. It was super comfortable. I want to see how these turned out for me. Since these have boosts in them, it'll be my first sneaker with boosts. I really don't I don't find a lot of Adidas that I love, but when I do find ones that I love, I really want them. And Pharrell always, to me, produces the best things out of Adidas. I know a lot of people love Kanye, and I like him too, but at least for design reasons. But I like Pharrell so much more when it comes to all the things he's produced out of Adidas. But I also want to wait and see what Jerry Lorenzo is going to do with Fear of God with Adidas, since he just now came over to them. So that'll be an exciting new chapter for Adidas that I think will be to come. So let's get into the box. So the box is, like I said, 10. Let me see if it'll pop up for you guys. There you go. You get the little Adidas symbol right there, and then you got the Pharrell Adidas logo right next to it. And then you got the size and everything. So let's pop this baby open. It's one of those open lids like that. Then you get your authenticity I forget what this thing's called. Authenticity tag or whatever, where they punch out the holes for you to tell you everything they went through from color and shape, material and structure, stitching, sole, label tag, and then that was for authentication. For quality control, they went to SKU and size, right, left, shoe condition, box condition, and accessories. Oh yeah, this does have accessories. I had totally forgot about that. I think they're gonna consider that like the latest. I don't want to hide these guys from you guys before I open it. Oh yeah, these are nice. Did they give me 2 gold stickers? I have so many already. Then, yeah, basically 2 gold stickers. I have so many. I don't know where I'm gonna put these. Find them somewhere. Maybe if you guys comment down below, find some way to give them out. But yeah, gold stickers, and let me open this up for you guys. And it's the black pair. I actually really love this pair. These are my first human race MMDs, and I love them. It's super dope. Let me get the other one out for you guys. You guys have probably seen these pair a little bit. The black was always my favorite. It reminds me of the NERD pair that they did, and I really wanted those, but now those things are going for like, I don't know, I think it was $2,000 to $5,000, and I just not spending that. At least not yet in my YouTube career. It's just too much to me right now. It's not worth it. But these are super cool. I, on his other shoe that I had, this material up top, this sock-like material wasn't as thick, but it feels pretty good. It looks awesome for real, and can't wait to wear these things. It got the black boost, which is different, so I love that I got the black boost version because in a lot of the boost versions they'll only just paint it black if there's black, but this is actual black boost, which I love, and you guys will see more of in the B-roll. And it has on the other Adidas Pharrell shoe that I had, it had the guts talking about what part of your foot is what, like the liver and everything, the liver, the heart, and all the other organs, and it's inside the shoe. So that's a cool thing to see right there. So I can't wait to get that on and tell you guys. And I'm probably gonna, I might, depending on how pictures turn out, I might switch the white laces to the black laces. I see what people were talking about with having the white laces on there, that the white laces do actually look good. But I will probably be switching mine to black laces just because I love the black, all black look to it. But yeah, this is actually a little bit more heavier than the last Adidas Pharrell that I have, but it feels good though. The material feels good. I love the print on the foot of each of them, and I forget which way to say it, but one of them has human race on the foot, and one of them has race human. Is how I think it goes on the feet. But yeah, this is definitely the dopest of the new colorways to me that he's released. I like the white, but the only thing I don't like about the white is they didn't truly go all white. I would want it all white with the rim around it white too. That's the only thing I would change with that. But yeah, these shoes are definitely dope to me. And let me see. Let me get that box back in a second just so I can see what the original price tag was for you guys. Alright guys, so I just looked up the price, and the price is actually $220 retail. I got these for around $300, so not too far above retail if you're trying to get them right now off of Go. I got a size 10, and prices do vary, so that is one thing to look out for. But yeah, this is definitely a dope shoe. I love it. I'll be showing you guys these on with different fits, from these jeans to some black ones and maybe a different color or a different style pants with it too. But yeah, this is definitely a dope color. I will be fixing up the laces, showing you guys that in both looks. But yeah, this is probably one of my first of maybe many Pharrell human race. And I'll describe the materials. This is obviously like a knitted material, knitted sock-like material right here. This is a plastic type back tab, if I can explain it right. Then this is rubber connecting the shoelaces, so you can tie this part up multiple ways. I've seen it done multiple ways with different people. and then you have a Boost midsole. Then you have the Human NMD. You have the NMD pods right here and right here. So that's where that is. And then you also have the bottom, which is a rubber outsole, and then you see peaks of Boost right there through the sole, which is pretty cool. I might eventually, if the price does drop, double up on these but get a different color. There is a little bit of peaks of white around this part right here, and you guys will probably see that in the B-roll if I remember to put it in there. But other than that, the quality overall, like I said, looks good. There's white on it. So if you're getting these, at least the black version, I am seeing little peaks of white around the inner pod, which a lot of people won't see on your foot because of it's on the inner side of your foot, and that's not really revealing itself a lot to people. But other than that, everything else checks out pretty good. But yeah, and I think they got some, yeah, that's just paper in the inside. But yeah, this is a dope shoe to me. I would give this shoe, I'm trying to think of what I would give on my 5 stars rating. I don't do half stars, but right now it's in between a 4 and a 5 to me. I want to give it a 5 because I love an all black sneaker. I have to check if these laces are 3M or not. They look like they would be. If I could take a picture of it with the 3M on it, I will definitely show you guys. I probably actually am going to give these a 5 stars just because I love what Pharrell does with his shoes. I like the trail version, but I also do, now that I'm having this in hand, I didn't know if I would want them to go back to the regular bottom version, but they did, and that was a nice touch to me. So yeah, this is definitely a perfect shoe, and I will definitely be wearing this soon, sooner rather than later. And yeah, that's about it. Hue NMD, designed by Pharrell. But these are definitely another hit out of the park to me. If you guys can find the NERD Human Race NMD, just make sure you guys just link me to that because that is definitely a shoe that I want if you can find it for cheaper than what resale is going for on those things. But yeah, this has been another shoe from me. Alright guys, so that's a wrap for the Human Race NMD Pharrell's. And make sure you guys follow me on here, subscribe, hit the bell, hit the like button, and make sure that you do hit that bell so you guys can see every time that I post. Uh, I really thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram at samurai__Jones and on Twitter at thecareless_1. And that's about it. Thank you guys for watching. Stay blessed. Peace.